Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today with a Miss to Mrs. unboxing video. This is a bridal subscription. If you are curious about signing up or you want more information on it, I will have the details listed and linked down below. You can also go ahead and leave a comment and I would be happy to chat with you and tell you what I know about the company and my thoughts and experience with them so far. This, I believe, is my fourth Miss to Mrs. box. This just came yesterday. I have not opened it, but it is pretty hefty. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off this outer wrapping and let's see what is inside. I am excited. I think I got a sneak peek that said it was like a pamper you box, like pamper yourself, self-care, that type of stuff. So let's see. I do really like their boxes. I think they're so pretty. Love the color. And let's open it up. It feels like it is packed. So this is what it looks like inside. We have the cards with all the information, the tissue paper, and it says for every bride to be. I've been really impressed with the Miss to Mrs. box. I'm subscribed to them and also to the ring boxes. And I just received my last ring box, but I believe I have two. I don't remember if I did a 6-month or a 9-month subscription of Miss to Mrs., but I have more coming. They just come every other month. So let's open the tissue paper. Okay, we have, we have more informational cards. This one says Bachelorette Party Planning Guide, 3 months, 2 months, 1 month before, 2 weeks before, 1 day before, and then Wedding Day Photography Checklist. I've heard contradicting things on photography checklists as far as like telling your photographer you want these shots, because then it is hard for them to capture like the moment in the moment because they're too focused on, oh, the couple wanted this shot. So I don't know. I'll talk to my photographer whenever I select them and we'll see from there. I'm very excited about this though because I just got a sneak peek of what it is. And it is a Keep Calm and Plan On Silky Smooth Satin Kimono Robe. And I'm very, very, very excited about this. I've been wanting like a fun little silky satin robe and I'm very excited about this. It's a nice champagne color. There's nothing on the back. I know I've seen some with like writing on the back like Mrs. or Bride to Be, but oh my gosh, I am so excited for this. So it's just an oversized robe. I do have it in oversized, and then there is a little sash inside the bag. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. Oof, I'm excited for that. I can't contain myself. Oh my goodness. Next we have two face masks. We have the Manuka Mask Pack. It's a Manuka Honey Essence extracted from nature moisturizing mask. And then we also have the Tea Tree relieving mask. So two face masks. Next we have, it looks like a jade roller. You can see the little image on there. Yes, a jade roller. I have one of these. I keep it in the freezer and it feels so good when it's hot out. You just roll it all over your face. So love those. My fiance loves them too. Next up we have this little it looks like a test tube. It's a Pamper Time Relaxing Foot Soak with pink Himalayan salt, Epsom salt, dried lavender petals, cornflower petals, lime, basil, and mandarin. So you dissolve the contents or have the contents in a foot tub with warm water. Soak your feet for 15-20 minutes. Perfect preparation for at-home pedicure or soothing tired feet. This is so fun. Look at that. I'm excited. We also have, it looks like a candle, white tea and cedarwood. I love the scent of cedarwood. It's from the White Jar Candle Co. and it's 100% soy wax. This is what it looks like. Oh, I like the scent. I don't know if I like the jasmine. It's not jasmine, it's white tea. It smells very nostalgic. Of like a perfume I had when I was 12 years old. It was a Mary-Kate and Ashley like London perfume from their London movie. It reminds me of that. Brings back a lot of memories. I'm excited. That's gonna be fun. We also have the Hair Wrap Plush Microfiber Towel. It helps reduce split ends and maintain healthier hair. Pro tip, use while applying makeup or at-home facial. One size fits all. I've never had one of these. It's so fun filming when your camera shuts off. I'm not sure where it left off, but I was talking about this hair wrap and I was saying that my older sister has a bunch and she loves them. I've just never known how to like put them on, so I'm gonna have to watch a video for sure, because I don't know, I guess like you wrap your hair up in it and then you like put this here, something like that. I know that that's absolutely not correct, but I will watch a video and figure out how to wear that correctly. And then the last thing I have is these spa slippers for the bride-to-be. And they're just flat slippers. Oh my gosh, these are huge. I don't know what size these are, but these are so huge. They just have a little diamond on it and then they're like white and fluffy. I want to see. Okay, so I just measured it with my foot. My foot goes from here to here. So I've got this much, like 4 inches, 3-4 inches of extra space. I have tiny feet, you guys. I wear size 7, or like a 4 in like little girl sizes. These are like a 12. I don't know. Those are massive. But aside from the slipper size issue, I'm very excited about this box. Like that robe, it's like 11 o'clock in the morning and I'm supposed to be going over to my friend's house, but I kind of just want to put the robe on. But that is everything that I received in this box. It's probably my favorite box that I've received, so I'm very excited about that. And like I said, if you guys are interested in finding out more about Miss to Mrs., I will have their information linked down below. I don't know what's going on with my hair anymore, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you very, very soon. Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.